Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Update. In today's video, we are going to implement the social distancing alert system. As you are aware that due to coronavirus global pandemic, social distancing is offered as one of the way to reduce the chances of spread of infection from person to person. It says that the nearer you are someone who is infected, the greater the risk of catching the virus. In this concern, we are trying to implement a simple solution for social distancing alert system using Arduino Uno board, NeoPixel Jewel Ring 12 from the Adafruit, and ultrasonic sensor with a buzzer. You can use this simulation to implement hardware model very easily. Even you can use instead of Arduino Uno board, you can use Node MCU or Arduino Mini can also be used. We have also used ultrasonic sensor to determine distance in centimeter. We used 12 LED RGB NeoPixel ring, which is available in Tinkercad simulator along with its supporting library files. As you can see from the connection, and we will be seeing the connection of each component in a simple way. We are also using the piezo buzzer to tone for violation alert for social distancing. Let's move on to the connection of this particular project. As you can see from the connection, the ultrasonic sensor, trigger and echo pins are connected to the digital pin D5 and D6 of Arduino Uno board. The input pin of NeoPixel ring, is connected to digital pin D3 of Arduino Uno board. The piezo buzzer the output, it is considered as digital output and is connected to the digital pin 2 of Arduino Uno board. Now let's check out the programming, but before going to the programming, let's first see the simulation. Then it will be very easy to see as you can see that as the distance decreases, the LED number of LEDs with respect to the color changes. and when it reaches to a distance determined by the ultrasonic sensor, you can see that red, green, blue, and all the 12 LEDs will be glowing with a social distancing alert buzzer will be activated. So this project idea is very simple to our coding part, but before moving to that, let's have one look at the execution of the project. As you can see that the closer the distance, the number of LEDs glowing increases, and its NeoPixel RGB 12 LEDs, as you can see, if the distance reaches to below 100 centimeter, the buzzer indicates along with the 12 LEDs glowing. Now let us understand the coding part. We simply use the text programming method instead of text plus block code programming of Tinkercad. The entire program is written as per the logic and connections of ultrasonic sensor, NeoPixel 12 ring RGB LED and buzzer to Arduino Uno. You can get the code from the link given in the description. Adafruit NeoPixel 12 RGB LED ring library is initialized with LED pin 3 and LED number as 12 because we have used 12 LEDs NeoPixel RGB LED. You can also modify the code to 16 or 24 if 16 or 24 RGB LED NeoPixel ring is connected. As soon as the Arduino is powered up, the system starts measuring the distance within the range from 300 to 100 centimeter, because anyhow we are calculating the social distance, so we are moving from the higher value to the lower value. The ultrasonic sensor echo pin is connected to digital pin 6 and the trigger pin is connected to digital pin 5 of Arduino Uno board. As mentioned earlier, the range is from 300 centimeter to 100 centimeter. We can see that as we are moving from safe to critical distance. At 100 centimeter, indication of 12 RGBs will glowing and buzzer will give alert of violation of social distancing. How it is done? Let us see. The distance measured from ultrasonic sensor is mapped to the number of LEDs glowing from 0th to 11th, which is actually count with a set of 4 LEDs. 4 LEDs colors are green, blue and red, which means that a set of 4 LEDs will be glowing, which are mapped according to the distance measured from the ultrasonic sensor and controlled by the Arduino Uno board. The LEDs starts glowing with decrease in the distance of a person who is carrying this system and other person who is not. If distance reaches to 100 centimeter or less, then the buzzer activates and indicates social distancing violation along with all 12 RGB NeoPixel ring LEDs glowing. If the person moves away from the person who is carrying this system, LEDs starts turning off, and if 300 centimeter or more, no LED will glow. As you can see from the code, Adafruit NeoPixel library is evoked and a function is returned with respect to LED number and LED pin. In this line of code, you can see that the LEDs to glow are counted based upon the mapping between the distance, the minimum distance value, the maximum distance value, LED number, and accordingly, if the LEDs to glow count is 12, then we will get a buzzer indication. Otherwise, LEDs will be glowing, the number of LEDs will be glowing, but there will be no buzzer. The buzzer indication is for actual social distancing violation. In this line of code strip.color 50,0,0. This 50 value indicates the brightness level of the particular LED. You can increase the value from 0 to 255 to increase the brightness level. We have set up this value to 50. This function calculate the distance with respect to ultrasonic sensor distance measurement. You can also watch our earlier video on how to measure the distance using the ultrasonic sensor and Arduino Uno board. Thus, this system provides both audio visual alert for social distancing, which is essential nowadays. As you can see, one more time, the measured distance from the ultrasonic sensor and the count of RGB LED from green, blue to red. When it reaches to the count reaches to 0 to 11, you can see that a buzzer indication will be there that indicates the social distancing violation. And as soon as the person moves away from the person who is carrying this system, the number of count of LEDs will be turning off, and when the distance reaches to 300 or more, then only one LED will be glowing, and this indicate the system is actually working and in working condition. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and comment to watch more videos on related topic. Thank you.